What we're looking at here is a chest plate to the torso people that we have in our classroom. We cannot fit the torso people under the doc cam, so we're going to attempt to show you muscles in pieces. So looking at the anterior view of this chest plate, focusing on the muscles of respiration as part of the axial skeleton, axial muscles. Coming down immediately here, we have the external intercostals. They elevate the ribs during respiration. Please do not confuse these muscles here with the external intercostals. These are part of the pectoralis minor. Moving up immediately, we have the internal intercostals. Those depress the ribs when you exhale. Internally, you can also see the internal intercostals moving up immediately and the transversus thoracis muscles moving mostly transversely. Externally, what you see on this model, on this side, we have fibers running down and medially near the abdominal region, so those would be the external obliques. On the opposite side, it's showing you a deeper layer of muscles moving up immediately, so these would be the internal oblique muscles. You can also see running straight up and down is the rectus abdominis muscles, rectus meaning straight. Covering that, we have the rectus sheath, and then right down the middle, we have the linea alba. Deep to internal and external obliques, we have the transversus abdominis, which you can see here. And then just a little bit of the diaphragm here. The rest of it can be found on the torso people models. I'm going to show you one other chest plate real quick. This chest plate belongs to the older torsos that we have in the classroom. Again, if you pay attention to direction fiber here, you can see fibers running down and medially, which would be the external intercostals. Please do not confuse them with the pectoralis minor muscle. Internally, we have muscles running up immediately, which would be my internal intercostals, transversus thoracis. And then down in the abdominal region, we have on this model, the most superficial, which would be external obliques, and the most internal, which would be the transversus thoracis. Here we have rectus abdominis with the linea alba in the middle. And then again, inside you can see transversus abdominis. So on this model in particular, you cannot see internal obliques.